In this video, we will introduce 4 effective methods to help you transfer messages from a Xiaomi phone to a computer. Part 1. Sync message from Xiaomi to computer by Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant lets you scan your Xiaomi device and export SMS conversations to your computer in formats like HTML, text, CSV, or XML. You can also preview messages before exporting, making it easy to select specific conversations. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Assistant on your computer. Launch the program and connect your Xiaomi phone to the computer with a USB cable. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on your Xiaomi device when prompted so that the software can successfully detect your phone. Step 3. After the connection is established, you will see your device information displayed on the main interface. Click SMS in the left panel to load all text messages stored on the Xiaomi phone. Step 4. Preview the messages and select the conversations you want to export, then click Export and choose the desired format to save them on your computer. Certainly, you can also transfer all messages to your computer with a single click. Simply go to Super Toolkit on the main interface, choose Backup, select messages from the data types, and click Backup. The program will immediately start transferring all messages from your Xiaomi phone to the computer. Part 2. Move message from Xiaomi to computer through Mi PC Suite. With this tool, you can connect your phone to a computer and create backups of important data, including text messages. Step 1. First, install Mi PC Suite on your computer and launch the program. Step 2. After that, connect your Xiaomi phone to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect the device once the connection is established. Step 3. After the phone appears in the program interface, navigate to the Backup or Messages section depending on the version of the software. Step 4. Select the text messages you want to save and choose the option to back them up to your computer. The messages will then be stored in the backup file created by Mi PC Suite. Note, although this method works with some Xiaomi devices, it may not fully support newer MIUI or Android versions. Part 3. Transfer message from Xiaomi to computer with Mi Cloud. You can also use Mi Cloud to sync messages and data, allowing access on a computer. However, free storage is limited, and additional space must be purchased if you have too many messages. Step 1. Open Settings on your Xiaomi phone and sign in with your Mi account. Step 2. After logging in, go to Mi Account Mi Cloud and enable the Messages Sync option so that your SMS data will be backed up automatically. Step 3. Once the messages are synchronized, open a web browser on your computer and visit the Mi Cloud website. Log in using the same Mi account that is connected to your phone. Step 4. After signing in, locate the Messages section, where you can view your synchronized text messages directly from the computer. Part 4. Transfer message from Xiaomi to computer using ShareMe. ShareMe is Xiaomi's built-in file transfer tool, originally for transferring files between devices. It also supports transferring files, including message backups, from Xiaomi phones to computers via Wi-Fi. Step 1. Install ShareMe from the Google Play Store if it is not already available on your Xiaomi device. Launch the app and follow the prompts to complete the basic setup. Step 2. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen, select Connect to Computer, and then tap Start. After that, choose the connection type. The app will generate an FTP address for your device. Step 3. On your computer, open File Explorer and type the FTP address displayed on your Xiaomi phone into the address bar. Step 4. Once the connection is established, your Xiaomi phone storage will appear in File Explorer. You can browse the folders, locate the message backup files, and copy them to your computer.